After fertilization, diploid zygote is present on the archegonium of Venter. The diploid zygote participated in the division. They develop into 2 cells, 4 cells, and young embryo. And young embryo develop into sporophyte of polytrichum. The sporophyte of polytrichum shows mainly 3 major portions. One is foot, seta, and capsule. If we observe capsule LS, foot is a multicellular structure. It mainly present in the venter of archegonium. It helps in the absorption of water, minerals from the female gametophytic plant. And above the foot, long seta, stalk-like structure is present. The seta long stalk-like structure mainly helps in dehiscence of the spores at the matured stage. And above the seta, capsule is present. If we observe capsule LS, this shows mainly 3 major portions. One is apophysis, second one is theca, and third one is cap. Apophysis is the photosynthetic zone. It present at the lower part of the capsule. It mainly built with chlorophyll pigments. The chlorophyll pigments are participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. So polytrichum sporophyte can prepare own food material by the apophysis portion of the capsule. Above these apophysis, theca is present. The theca is called fertile place of the capsule. At center region of theca, one long pillar-like cells are present. The long pillar-like cells are called columella. Around the columella, air spaces are present. These air spaces are called inner air spaces. The inner air spaces are divided by trabeculae. These are the trabeculae, and outside of these inner air spaces, spore sac is present. The spore sac containing inner wall and outer wall. Between these two spore sac wall, spore mother cells are present. The spore mother cells are in diploid condition. They participated in the reduction or meiotic division. They can produce haploid spores. Then outside of these spore sac, outer air spaces are present. In this outer air spaces also, trabeculae are present. Outside of these outer air space, capsule wall is present. And at the terminal part of theca, cap is present. The cap is mainly made by epiphragm and operculum. Epiphragm is the lower part, operculum is the upper part of cap-like structure. Between these operculum and epiphragm, one rim-like structure is present. On the rim-like structure, peristome teeth are present. The peristome teeth, 16 to 32 peristome teeth are present, but these peristome teeth are not in hygroscopic conditions. At the matured stage of these capsule, the spore mother cells are participated in the reduction or meiosis division. They can produce haploid spores. That haploid spores are comes out from the peristome teeth by the sensor mechanism. At matured stage of capsule, the seta is moved to front to back. By this movement, cap is removed by sensor mechanism. If cap is removed from the sporophyte, then hole-like structures are present. The hole-like structures are established by the peristome teeth. From these holes, haploid spores are comes out from these capsule-like structure. This type of dehiscence of spores is called sensor mechanism. Especially in polytrichum, the sensor mechanism is present. By this sensor mechanism, haploid spores are comes out from the capsule. The haploid spores are developed into haploid gametophytic plant of polytrichum.